Hope you are having a good day. Let's look at the top crypto news from across the world. First up, what are the worst mistakes of the crypto in 2022? Cointelegraph experts discuss the worst mistakes you should avoid in crypto. First of all, experts say that you should take the profit you have already earned and avoid moonboy fever instead of waiting for your positions to rise. Second, understand the market cycle. But don't overanalyze. Make decisions based on firm conviction. Don't just look at the price of a token that you heard about from somebody. Look into the token's market capitalization, tokenomics, community size, etc. Lastly, do not trade too much, as hodling always beats trading. Uniswap launches a venture arm to accelerate the development of Web3. Uniswap Labs Ventures will allow the DeFi exchange to go ahead and invest in the Web3 sector and engage with additional corrupt projects. Uniswap Labs, the organization behind the popular DeFi exchange, announced the launch of Uniswap Labs Ventures. As such, it aims to bring millions into the emerging Web3 economy and invest in additional corrupt enterprises. Uniswap Labs Ventures Web3 will invest in teams at different stages and levels of the stack, ranging from infrastructure to developer tools and consumer-facing applications. We're also focusing on investing in projects that are closely aligned with our values, building for the long term, collaborating openly with communities, and giving consumers top priority. Circle announces $400 million funding round and partnership with BlackRock. BlackRock will help Circle find ways to bring stablecoin applications to traditional financial markets. Circle, the finance firm that issues USDC stablecoins, recently raised $400 million from major financial firms, including BlackRock, Fidelity, Marshall Wass, and Finn Capital. BlackRock has also formed a strategic partnership with Circle and intends to seek applications for USDC in the capital markets. Stablecoins, such as the USDC, are local fungible tokens from the blockchain, priced at a fiat currency such as the dollar. Their goal is to stabilize the value of fiat with the programmability and transfer of digital assets. Crypto portfolio manager CoinStats receives $3.2 million on fresh funding round. With the latest funding, CoinStats plans to develop new features to spread DeFi to millions of users. Crypto research and portfolio tracker, CoinStats, raised $3.2 million in the latest funding round led by Alex Pack's Hack VC. Other participants included several other funds, including Mike Dodas's Sixth Main Ventures. Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary Bitcoin is never going to zero. Kevin O'Leary believes that Bitcoin has emerged as a repository of value, and as such, its value will never fall to zero. Canadian businessman and well-known TV personality Kevin O'Leary has predicted that the value of Bitcoin will never go to zero. According to him, cryptocurrency is a store of value like gold. As such, O'Leary has allocated 5% of its portfolio and 5% for the precious metal. Bitcoin never goes to zero. This is a personal opinion. There are plenty of people around the world who see it as a valuable resource, including me. It weighs 5% in my portfolio, just like gold. Gaming giant Sega said NFTs is a natural extension for the future of gaming. Sega Corporation intends to feature games that incorporate cloud and non-fungible token technology. Japanese multinational video game and entertainment company Sega Corporation has revealed that it will launch its own Super Game initiative. Producer Masayoshi Kikuchi said the latter would include several different games, as some of them would include NFT technology. For the first time since March, BTC dipped below $40,000, ETH below $3,000. Once again, the crypto market has seen significant losses, with BTC and ETH hitting several week lows. After several days of gradual decline in value, Bitcoin took another sharp dive yesterday and fell below $40,000 for the first time in almost a month. Most altcoins are also in the red today, with ETH at $3,000 and below, BNB below $400, and Cardano going below $1. The Bitcoin failed to control decisively at $47,000 a week ago, and the bears took the opportunity to gain almost complete control of the market. Over the next few days, they pushed the basic cryptocurrency first to $45,000 and then to $43,000. Apex Games received $2 billion to build the metaverse. Epic Games built an unrealistic engine and redefined the gaming industry. Now they want to build a meteor and get $2 billion for it. Sony and Kirkby, the company behind the Lego Group, are teaming up to fund Epic Games' new venture focused on the metaverse. On April 11, Epic Games, a US video game development company, announced it would raise $2 billion from Sony and $1 billion from Kirkby to build Metaverse. Gaming studio wants to create new experiences based on its already popular games and new projects. Apex Games says the goal of such a large funding round is to advance the company's vision to build and support Metaverse and its continued growth. Thank you for joining us today. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with crypto world.